एवरीवन सो आज हम सॉल्व करने वाले हैं चैप्टर 1 मैटर. Fill in the blanks. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter that can exist independently. 2. On cooling, a liquid gets changed into a solid. 3. The molecules in a gases move freely in all directions. 4. Solids have a definite volume. 5. Gases are not rigid at all. Fill in the blank. True or false. The process by which a solid gets changed into a liquid is called boiling. The molecule of liquid are not fixed at their positions. True. This is also true. First one. Then solids are hard and rigid. True. The intermolecular force in gases is very strong. False. The molecules of a liquid come closer and start vibrating in their fixed positions. False. Match the following. Liquid to gas is boiling. Fixed shape and definite volume, solid. Gas to liquid, condensation. Can be compressed, gas. Irregular shape and definite volume, liquid. Choose the correct answer. Which of the following is a solid? That is chalk. Which of the following has a negligible intermolecular space between its molecule? Gas. Temperature at which a liquid gets converted into a solid is called point. Which of the following is not a characteristic of molecules of matter? Molecules have a very large size. Which of the following has the negligible intermolecular force between its molecule? That is gas. E. Write one word or few words for the following. The temperature on which a solid gets changed into a liquid, melting. It is formed by combining two or more atoms, molecule. It can be beaten either into sheets or into powder form, solid. The molecules are loosely packed in this state of matter, liquid. It has neither a fixed shape nor a fixed volume, gas. Find the following terms. Intermolecular space. So the molecules are arranged in a material in such a way that there is a space between them. Space between the molecules of a substance is called the intermolecular space or intermolecular distance. This is F1. To condensation. So the process by which a substance changes from its gaseous state to its liquid state on cooling is called condensation. The temperature at which this process takes place is called the condensation point. F2. Bit 3. Freezing point. So the process by which a substance changes from its liquid state to its solid state on cooling is called freezing. The temperature at which the process takes place is called freezing point. This is F3. Bit 4. Intermolecular force of attraction. So the molecules of matter always show attraction towards each other. Due to this attraction, the molecules are bound together. This force of attraction between the molecules is known as intermolecular force of attraction. F4. Bit 5. Evaporation. When we heat a liquid, some molecule escape from its surface below its boiling point. This process is called evaporation. So this is F5. So G. Give reason for the following statements. Bit 1. Solids are rigid and incompressible. Because solids have strong intermolecular forces holding their particles in fixed position, resulting in a definite shape and volume and making them resistant to compression. Bit 2. Change in temperature cause changes in state of matter. So temperature changes the kinetic energy of particles, influencing intermolecular force and leading to phase transition like melting, freezing, boiling and condensation. Bit 3. Liquids take the shape of the container. So liquids have weaker intermolecular forces than solid allowing their particles to move past each other and flow. So thus conforming to the shape of the container. Next, bit 4. Ice changes to water and water changes to steam. So this phase of transition, that is melting and boiling or evaporation, driven by the absorption of heat energy, which increases the kinetic energy of water molecules. Question. Water droplets form on a glass of cold water. So this phenomena is condensation, where water vapor in the air loses heat to the cold surface of the glass, so cools down and changes from a gaseous state to a liquid state. H. Answer the following questions in brief. How does a liquid get converted into a gas? Bit I. Answer the following question in detail. Write a note on matter. So the process by which a substance changes from its liquid state to its gaseous state on heating is boiling. So the temperature at which the process takes place is called the boiling point. So when we heat a liquid, the molecules present in it start moving faster until they become free to move in all directions. Thus a liquid gets changed into gas. So this is H ka answer 1. 2. Why do solids expand very little on heating? When we heat a solid, the molecule present in it start vibrating more and more until they start sliding over each other. Thus the solid gets changed, नहीं लिखेंगे यहाँ से यहाँ तक, gets expanded after getting little heat. So this is H का answer 2. 3. How does a solid get converted into a liquid? To here is H3 का answer. 4. Why are gases very loosely packed? So the intermolecular force in gas is almost negligible. Due to this, the molecules in gases are very loosely packed. H ka 4. 5. Give 3 example of each state of matter. For solid, you can take a spoon, ruler and wood as an example. For liquid, you can take juice, milk or water as an example, or oil, anything. So you can a balloon filled with air, cylinder filled with LPG, carbon dioxide. You can also write that. I. Answer the following questions in detail. Write a note on matter. Matter is made up of very small particles called molecule. A molecule is the smallest unit of matter which can exist independently and retain all its physical chemical property. It is made up of various elements. Either you can write up to this or you can write up to this also. I ka answer number 1. Number 2. Explain the changing states of matter by taking the example of water. Right from here, from solid to liquid up to here, from gas to liquid. I ka bit 2. Bit 3. Compare the characteristics of solid and liquids. So you can write this and this for I ka answer number 3. Describe a simple activity to show that molecules have spaces between them. This activity for answer I ka answer number 4. Write a note on composition of matter. Of matter, you can write this whole. So I ka 5. Thank you and subscribe for more such solution videos.